guys, we back with another exciting food review. And y'all know what y'all looking at right here, man. Y'all looking at the new Cheetos sandwich from KFC. And these, I believe, are the, what are these? The Cheetos, I guess popcorn nuggets? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up and see. Macaroni and cheese. And I believe this right here is a new Mountain Dew drink. They got the Mountain Dew with the, I think it's tea, like some kind of Mountain Dew. But we're gonna get right into the food, man. It's gonna be pretty long, but we're gonna get right into it. As y'all can see, crispy chicken sandwich here. Obviously, man, Cheetos at the bottom. Look at that nice cheese. Look at that gliss, man. Look at that glistening off the cheese, man. That looks so good, bro. That looks so good, bro. Look at that. Ooh. So we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna get right into this thing, man. Be back with y'all in a second. You dig? Back with y'all, man. And look at the bottom of it. Look at all that. See it? Let's try it. Okay. If I want to eat chicken nugget, get a popcorn chicken nugget. Real cheesy. I think what's probably with this sauce is finger licking good sauce. Let's see what this is about real quick. It's like a weird sauce, man. Finger licking good sauce right here. Just dip one of these bad boys in. See what we talking about. See. The sauce actually makes it better. Oh yeah, the sauce actually makes it way better. This finger licking good sauce is wonderful, KFC. I'm loving this new product. Y'all want to try this rainy Mountain Dew drink? Ours is pretty good. Wow. Yo, this brand new Mountain Dew drink is good, man. It's real good. Man, now this sandwich, this right here, that Mountain Dew, new Mountain Dew drink, and that sauce Hey, hey, perfection. I ain't gonna try to I got over there. Those potatoes, I already know what they taste like. So, yeah. But dip when you fries up in here. Oh yeah. It's hitting. Man, KFC, y'all, I did y'all said it this time. If I had to rate this 10 out of 10 all day, man. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. It's something different, something new. It's something refreshing. It's not the same old boring stuff. It's different. I love it, man. It's only here for a limited time only. So get it throughout the month of July. So anyway, man, comment, like, and subscribe, man. Keep watching these videos. Next time, guys, peace.